Hi guys, today we talk about Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche design. Its launch on March 2024. The body dimensions of these toys: the height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm, weight 237 grams, and the build: front and back glass, nano crystal shield, and titanium frame. The display type of this device: it comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.8 inches with 91.6% body to screen ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 5000 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is nano crystal shield. The platform: it comes with Android 14 operating system and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X4. The GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of this device: it comes with 24 gigs of RAM and 1 TB ROM. The camera of this device: it comes with triple camera main sensor and first 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it comes with dual selfie camera 50 megapixel and 80 of 3D biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The battery type: it comes with Sika 5600 mAh battery, 80 watt wired charging and 66 watt wireless charging, and it supports wireless reverse charging of 10 watt. And the common feature: it supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Face ID unlocking, USB Type C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0, and IP68 rating. The price of Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche design is $1,899.